When a company makes a decision, it affects more than just the owners. Let's look at who stakeholders are and why they matter. A stakeholder is any person or group that has an interest in or is impacted by the operations and performance of a business. Stakeholders generally fall into two main categories based on how directly they are involved with the organization's daily success. From the staff on the payroll to the customers in the store, these groups all hold a stake in the company's future. While all shareholders are stakeholders, not all stakeholders are shareholders. One group owns the stock, the other is just affected by the business. Companies must balance these interests. Success isn't just about revenue, but also about maintaining good relationships with the community and employees. Ignoring one group in favor of another can lead to instability. A balanced approach is usually the goal for sustainable growth. Understanding stakeholders helps you see the bigger picture of how businesses operate. Like and subscribe for more finance basics.